Oo, yun mga bar. Alas kami ngayon, pupunta kami sa CN Tower. Pangalawang beses ko na ito mga bar nang napunta. Ayan, train mga bar.
So slow. Slower than a snail.
Bababa tayo sa Union.
Picture mo sa mo. Excuse me sir, we will go to CN Tower. We want to go to
CN Tower?
So,
Hold on, we go all the way to the end to York Street,
okay.
make a left,
Uh-huh.
and then make a right on Bremner.
Alright. Thank you sir. Mali nga. Ito, Davao del Sur nandito. Oh, Canada! Yan, patingin ng ano mo Inday, Canada Day na shirt. Wow!
Ty, you and me are twins because this is.
Also Lolo, is it?
Di ba mainit ka?
Yeah,
Ha? Magdala na lang ng ano mo?
Hindi malamig.
all of us are
Magdala na lang
twins.
ng jacket para
All
sa
of us are twins.
Oh, nakapula si
for because
Inday mo. Ang galing talaga ng Inday namin.
meron pang isa doon yung Old Navy, Canada Day.
Wow.
Bakit?
Sa'yo yun, di ba?
Sige lang.
Binili ni Tita Yanti. Sino bumili niya Inday?
Tita Yanti.
Yan, Tita
Patingin
Yanti.
nga. Wow, ang ganda naman talaga.
Wala namang nakasulat na Canada Day. Where is that? Canada? Wow! Canada, galing. Oo, yun mga bar. Alas kami ngayon, pupunta kami sa CN Tower. Pangalawang beses ko na ito mga bar nang napunta. Ayun o, Canada Day. Happy Canada Day sa lahat, no? Happy Canada Day, Inday. Inday, ah.
Seen a kid
Saan
jump.
sila mama? So, mag-enjoy to sila ngayon mga par. And, pagkatapos siguro maghanap kami ng mga kainan doon. Merienda or lunch, no? Or early dinner mga par. So, ayan. Enjoyin lang natin tong Canada Day, no? So sa lahat, no? Kung dito sa Canada mga par, Happy Canada Day sa lahat.
Yay.
Yeah.
Also, imagine in the Philippines there's Happy Philippines Day.
Yeah? Like Independence Day.
Oh yeah, I remember. Also Family Day.
Yeah, Family Day.
Also Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah. At my school in the Philippines when
Yeah.
it's Christmas, I took a picture of the Christmas tree.
Yeah.
When it was Family Day, so I brought Nanay to my school. Not you because you weren't here. You were in
Ah?
the ship. Tay.
Ang galing.
Tay.
Ah, yeah.
I remember in Christmas, I took a picture with the Christmas tree in my school, and then at Family Day, I brought Nanay in school, and then I didn't brought you, Tay, because you know you were in
Why?
the ship
Okay.
going to Korea or I don't know, blah blah blah. That's why you know how to use chopsticks because you learned in Korea.
Yeah.
So, and okay, I'm tired of speaking.
Yeah. Medyo mainit pa ngayon mga para maganda yung panahon.
Yeah, I'm sweating.
Red. Why we are wearing red?
Something I forfeited as part of it.
Red is the national color of the flag.
Like
I
Canada.
learned that in my school. So that's
Yeah. O yan, sasakay kami ng isang bus mga bar. Tapos GO train. Tapos lalakad na kami papuntang CN Tower. Doon pa rin tayo dadaan mami sa dinaanan natin yung dati.
Ty, remember that we
Yeah.
did with Tita Jane? It was like, welcome to Toronto.
Tulak Inday.
Sige, Day. Tulak. Oh, dali, Day. Kaya malakas ko pa Inday sa ulo.
Tulak na si Lolo kasi takot sa init.
Dali, Day! Bilis! Tulak! Takot din sa init. Akala mo ako kay ang lolo mo? Day, may balon.
Go! Patay ba? Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Go straight there. Ayaw. Ay, nako. Umalis na yung train Day.
Ayun na yung pin. Mapa.
Pindutin mo yun, Day. Oh, isa lang? Ay. Ha?
Hapa na pin.
Boston? Hindi. Ang train, mga par. Saan tayo tayo? Second floor?
Third.
Walang third yan, oh. Second lang yan. Ano ka ba?
Never mind. Manan. Sa third ka ba?
Gusto like third floor. Yeah.
Ata, my ear. Okay. Third. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Ah, bakit po? Oo. Andun yan po.
What? Tie, second tie.
Yeah, dito mami.
Tie.
Yeah. Go up. Let's go up.
See, there's a third floor.
Ah, third floor? Oh, third floor. Sige.
Let's go to that one. Let's find us.
Meron palang third floor.
Tie, you
Yeah.
go with me.
No, there oh. Eh, dito na yeah.
Tie, you go with me. Tie.
Go train.
Gising naman ng walk.
Dai, go train na kami mga pa.
Can you move tie your arm? I'm trying to see.
Scarborough's the next station stop, Scarborough.
So slow. Slower than a snail.
Bababa tayo sa Union.
Oh, never
Picture mo
mind.
sa mo pag ganun. Union
Bababa tayo
Station.
sa Union.
Hmm.
Malayo pa to.
Ah, tatlong stop.
Okay, I'm already.
Smile.
Ang init.
Yes, ma'am.
Here, please take a quick look around and make sure you have all your personal belongings with you before exiting the train. And on behalf of Go Transit and the entire operating crew, thank you for riding with us today. We hope you enjoy the rest of your Canada Day.
Dito na kami mga par. Baba na. Kaya kami par. Yeah pa, ako lang. Go! Daming tao. Station West. Ang haba ko.
Are you on the red line or you?
I'm okay, yeah, as long as I can hang on to something. I just sorry, I'm just going in.
Stop closer to the ferry.
Maraming tao, parang tagal namin nakalabas sa train. So marami. Naalala mo ba? Dito tayo? Ito yata. Union Station Bus Terminal. Ay, may sign dito eh.
Look, there's a tower thing.
Basahin natin yung ano. Ayun. Titignan namin mga parang liligaw kami. Baby, ano yan? Scotia Arena Shops. Dito, tanong tayo. Tanong muna ako.
What?
Yeah, excuse me sir, where we go to St. Tower? We want to go to
See the tower?
So,
Go down. Go all the way to the end to York Street.
okay.
Make a left
Uh-huh.
and then make a right on Bremner.
Alright. Thank you sir. Mali nga. Mali nga. Marco. So we have to go there. Train, subway.
Tay,
So paglabas pala natin mami right.
Tay, looks like you forgot.
Yeah, because I'm here long time ago.
So I'm going down the
It's long time ago.
You still forgot.
It's a long time ago.
I don't
Yeah.
long time. It's not long time.
Yeah.
It was just last year.
Okay.
Not a long time. It was not like 10 years ago. I don't know.
Ganda lang mami. Gusto pa po. Hold lolo. Hold nanay.
Dito kain kayo sa gitna.
So dito daan mo par York Street. Go down. Parang dito yung dinaanan natin ano eh. So bumalik kami mga par dito. Kasi yung tinuro sa amin mga paris, doon yun sa my street sa labas. So gusto naming dumaan dito sa loob lang. Kasi madadaanan mo rin dito eh. Mga tapos mayroon kaming ano dito na pwede magpicture. Kaya maganda rito. Sa loob ang daan. Hindi binago to.
Binago ko.
Madadaanan mo yung ano eh, yung train to Person papuntang airport. Madadaanan natin yun eh. So madadaanan natin yun, tama yun.
Sa tayo.
Sana lang, hindi maligaw mo paro. Pero, yun naman siguro. Oh, nagkaligaw-ligaw kami mga par. Wala kami. Ay, tama to may ano. Roger Centre St. Tower. Ayan, ayan. Mukhang tama na to mga par. Hindi oh. Oh, butterfly in the eye, butterfly. Ganda. Para ka na sa airport pag nandito ka mga par. Ayan na.
Mata na yun.
Ano? Sabi mo sa mama kung gutom na, kakain muna tayo bago pumasok. Kasi matagal tayo doon eh. Yan na, skywalk. O dito mami, skywalk, picturean mo rin sila.
Ito na yun.
Canadian National Railways.
Tanda mo dito tayo.
Skywalk. Yo, nakita namin mga par. Nakita namin yung papunta. Ito yung gusto namin puntahan. Yung mga pwedeng picturean. Ayan o. Oh, diba? Oh, ayan o. Tapos doon tayo papunta. Galing, 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 galing. Picture, picture, picture.
He did take a pic.
What do you mean?
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. They were like taking a picture of the statue.
Dito yung gusto namin puntahan mga par. Papasok. Gusto ko ano, samurai eh. Samurai. Samurai, cartoon lang yan. Kita na namin si Tower mga par. Ano yun si Tower mga par?
Kita mo yung buong Dubai.